your North, मेरे हाथ में ट्राइपॉड क्या कर रहा है? Anyway, it's your North Indian Arjun Osha and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं कुछ क्रेजी शूट करने. मैंने सोचा कि मेरे चैनल पे थोड़े रंगीन कंटेंट की ज़रूरत है, तो मेरे YouTube चैनल पे रंग लाने मैं किसी स्पेशल गेस्ट के घर पे जा रहा हूँ. आज मैं जिसके घर जा रहा हूँ उसके घर का दरवाज़ा तुमको मैं रिवील करने वाला हूँ. कितने बार भाई उसको पता होना चाहिए ना मैं आया हूँ भाई. You should know. Oh shit, उसको पता है कि मैं आ रहा हूँ. I'm gonna go out and pretend as if. तो उसकी मम्मी ने दरवाजा खोल दिया था and we're at Ori's house. I'm here to what? What? I'm on time. So it's just 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Why do you have 3 phones?
One for my friends, one for my famous friends, one for management. There's another phone.
So which one? I'm at in the famous friends one, na? Oh shit. प्रियल को भी मैं लेके आया हूँ. He's gonna help us shoot.
I don't
Wow.
know.
Oh no. Aura lost for the entire. मैं actually यहाँ पे आया हूँ to teach Ori how to be me. I think Ori's done being him. Ori's bored of being him because it's not fun being Ori
I'll tell you,
anymore.
one of my favorite hobbies in life is appropriating other people's lives. Like sometimes you'll see me do a video where I'm appropriating life of a local bus driver, a janitor, a train stall man, and today art.
So now you're going up in the famous
I only
list,
like
right? Ori को मैंने ना कुछ basic चीजें इकट्ठा करके बोली थी. मतलब that's what you need to be Adit Minocha. One of them was a mic and a headphone
That's
and
my mic, so I'm
a
really
computer.
excited.
Where is the computer? You need a PC.
No, it's a Mac. I told you I have a Mac. That's my mic. Can I have this? I told you I have a Mac. You said that's fine.
This is a budget issue.
It was my dream to have a headset with a mic, so I could be like, "Hi guys."
यहाँ भी टुंडी लगा के जोड़ा है भाई. ये भी headphone भी C type नहीं है. Is that a fake Versace cup? Oh my god.
So this was really bought the other day, and I accidentally glued my MacBook shut.
What? Play a sport or something when you're bored. Why are you gluing your
I
professional
did state level, yeah.
state level cheering?
I'm the water boy of the team.
Ah.
From any store quickly and use the credit card, please.
What else can you order?
Anything you want.
Can I get some? क्या खाना है? भाई ऐसे मोमेंट पे ना याद नहीं आता है. Szechuan triple fried rice.
You're not fucking Chinese restaurant. Start your work.
This software, I want to record the screen. You can, but
Don't go on it. I've recorded myself jerking off.
But then I'm not going to the footage. I just want to connect to the camera. So
Then
yeah,
that-
your jerking off videos will not show
Go
up.
for it.
If you want to record it separately for the
My
video,
jerking off?
yeah, for the video, then for my
No,
video.
these are private.
Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you, but you've been
Now
here.
we're rolling. Now we're in the. You're in a Adit Minocha video. How does it feel?
I have writer edit. Let's go.
You can take the entire editing project.
Fucking idiot. Writer edit means I have the right to edit. I can edit things out. He's never been interviewed before. He wouldn't know what writer edit is.
I have been interviewed
By who,
before. I was
yourself?
on Zoom. What is that show? I don't remember.
You don't know what show
Were
you're on. So how will
Zoom?
other people
No,
know what
you
show?
were not on Zoom.
What?
I was on Zoom.
That's right, but you
In a
just said you
talk
don't know what show you were on. So you don't know what show you were
All
on. How
you
can
did was
expect
go
other-
to Big Boss for 5 minutes.
And
Relax.
yet, look at the
Relax.
spectacle I created.
Relax.
I had more impact. You
Brain
don't even know
rot
the
impact.
name of the show. What is wrong with brain rotting impact? Brain rot's the best kind of impact you should have. What kind of impact would you want to have other than that?
Intellectual impact.
Okay.
Okay, I have a curated doc of Ori reels.
People are always like, Ori, let's react to your own reels. And I'm like, let's fucking go. Let's do it now.
Is this your first ever post on Instagram?
This was not my first post on Instagram. I deleted my other posts. This now looks like it's my first post on Instagram. This was really funny. I was with my friends having dinner at Tao downtown in New York, and Joe Jonas was on the next table.
So you were not with Joe Jonas?
No, I was not with Joe Jonas.
So, but this looks like you
I'm
are
very
with
good
him.
at pretending that I'm with people that I'm not. And I went up to his table and I asked him for a photo. I love taking pictures with celebrities, but celebrities also love taking pictures
Now,
with me.
what at this point did celebrities take pictures with you? I don't
Of
think
course,
so.
that he's a celebrity and he's in
No,
the
but
picture
you
taking it.
took a picture with him, right?
Yes. But he obviously, he looks happy, does he not?
No one doesn't look happy.
He looks, okay, fine, that's because I was so shy and nervous at the time. But now we're friends. Today we're friends.
I mean, of course, now you'd say that. There's no way to verify.
It's on my Instagram. There's a picture
This
of him
is also
doing-
on your
There's a
Instagram.
picture of him doing the Ori pose with me on my
Oh.
Instagram. Yeah.
Looks
His-
like another photo of him asking Joe Jonas, can I take a picture with
Okay,
you?
and his brother just happens to be there doing the same thing as well.
Can you do the same thing, please?
And Adar Poonawala as well, just in the photo.
Oh, Didn't see that guy.
Yeah.
Must be true.
And then me and Nick Jonas.
Kendall or Kylie?
Both.
Choose.
I have both.
But choose one.
Look, I got it all.
Why do you look so different? This is 10 years ago.
This is 10 years ago. I had taken a photo with Kylie Jenner in New York, and everyone was like, oh my god, he's never going to up that photo. He's never going to get a better photo than the Kylie Jenner photo. And 3 days later, I gave them a Kendall Jenner photo. Look at it. That's 10 years ago. And even Kendall okayed being touched by Ori.
So if I touch you,
Don't touch me.
technically I have touched Kendall.
No, I bathed it
because
immediately after.
What? I will still count it. What is this?
It's a reel. So this was a video of me and Kylie Jenner. We were at her house, and I smashed my hair into her face. And just come here, come close. I like smashed my hair. Look, it's gone right up her nose. Imagine.
I can imagine.
Her nose must have
I
been
could
on my
imagine.
hair.
What is this supposed to be?
This was me and my friend, and we took a hot selfie at Beach Candy Club swimming pool.
Why is no one taking hot selfies with me?
I was like 18 at the time.
You were not 18. This is 9 years ago. You're probably
It's an old
40
video.
now.
See how my age went
You
from-
look so different.
I know, thank
oh
you.
shit.
The Ori party was a party that was only for Ori fans, but you had to wear a t-shirt with my face
So
on.
only you and Urfi partied.
You could say. Actually, Urfi didn't come in the end. After promising me she'd come,
So you
she
partied
broke-
alone in the
she
Ori
broke
party.
her tooth and didn't show up.
अच्छा बहाना मारा है उसने.
This video was-
What the fuck is this?
This
क्या
video
कर रहा
was
है?
so funny.
ये क्या कर रहा है?
I was eating a pani puri. See, it has my name in it. Pani puri.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं
People caught me in the comments because they're like, you know what, he was about to eat it normally, and right before
Yeah,
you
so
can
you are
see him
pretending.
flinch. You can see him realizing, shit, get back in character and act dumb. I was about to.
He went.
I realized, like, oh.
So originally Sparrow was the one who eats pani puri.
I love Sparrow. Do you see my
Yeah,
birthday post for
yeah.
him? He asked me to send him a video.
Ouch!
This was a Puma ad campaign. It wasn't a real crash out.
Is that Elvish Yadav?
That's me.
Oh,
But I could see why you say that. We're both pretty handsome.
yeah. From this angle.
This was when me and my friend Cherry, who I stalked, by the way, to be my friend, he took me to Kashmir.
Wow.
And we did training for a week.
Why are you scared of water?
It was fucking freezing, minus 20-degree water. What do you mean? My penis almost fell off.
It's gone now.
No, it's there. That's why you see me running out of the water. So I did a launch of Ori underwear in which I recreated Miley Cyrus's
Can I
wrecking
get
ball.
a pair of these?
No,
Do you
they're
have
sold
them?
out. They're sold
sold out. And you as the owner, you don't have them. You don't have
Yes, they were
them.
sold out. People went crazy, and we only made 5 pieces, so they were gone in like less than an hour. But I recreated.
There were only 5 pieces.
Yes.
Oh.
It was a limited edition drop.
Oh, okay,
But I
okay.
recreated the Miley
So
Cyrus.
5 people went crazy.
Maybe more. Okay, so this video, me and Samir Reina, where we do the Ori touch and then we kiss. The reason this video is a very important video, and I told this to Samir the other day, is because he did the same thing with Purav Jha.
Yeah, but this is not AI, right?
May I speak? He did the same thing with Purav Jha, and they collab posted. And they're both bigger than I am on Instagram.
Oh!
And how many views did the two of them get together? How many views?
I don't know.
40 million. And how many views did my solo video get? 88 million.
Cheers to that.
Thank you. And no, it's not AI. This was me and Raki's house. So Raki and I had been trying to meet for really. Have you met Raki?
No.
Oh, she's a jaan of a person. She's always going to get me to touch her chest, but like I love her other than that. Brr, brr. The funny thing is, all the comments were like, okay, now do it from her backside. Brr, boom, boom.
Y'all uploaded this as a reel.
Yeah, why? You have a problem?
No. Oh, this is where people started wondering what are you doing and why are you here?
What?
Yeah, like this is where people are wondering कि ये करता क्या है, ये क्या कर
People
रहा है,
are
ये क्यों है
always
यहाँ पे?
wondering ये करता
तो
क्या
ये
है.
क्यों है यहाँ पे? Why are you here?
It's a series that I have where I come as Bollywood's BFF, but it's not about them, it's about me.
Okay.
It's about me being the best friend of a Bollywood person. It's not
Okay.
about them. It's about me.
Okay, okay.
Have you
but
seen-
I can see them more than I can see you.
Our living room is bigger than my first house. Johnny, there's so much media here.
Your room's pretty big though.
Now, today, after my viral series.
After your viral series, acha.
This was really funny because when we were watching the IPL cricket match, the cricketer hit the ball and the commentator said, "Ek khoobsurat ka chhakka," and the video man panned on my face. And I was so excited because crores and crores and crores. You know how many people watch IPL?
Yeah.
They saw my beautiful face.
No, no way. No, no. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ori. Till date, I don't know what is it that he does.
Same.
He's a liberal. He's a liberal. He is
Wow,
a liberal
Arjun
and look
Kapoor.
Indian.
Thoughts on Arjun Kapoor.
I love him. He's like my older brother.
Thoughts on his meme look.
His
the
main
meme,
look?
The meme that
Which
went.
is his main look?
The meme that went viral.
I don't know which main character look you're talking about.
Underworld mein jikra yaar
I'm not seeing that movie. I don't watch many movies.
Not a move. This man is chronically online and he does not know Arjun's meme. The one meme. Never mind. It's fine.
The science of Ori is this is known as the touch. He
Oh.
touches you this way and puts it on social media means you have been approved by Ori.
Okay.
And if not, then you still have some work to do. Am I right, Ori?
And higher the touch, more relevant. Just tell them
Ah, okay.
Okay, these are
higher the
details you didn't
touch.
know.
This means you're a 10. This means you're a 5. This means don't do it.
So, for the sake of this video, where is the touch?
Not in this room. Doing the Langdi step.
Why not?
Take off meters. Take it off now.
I mean, you look good.
I know I look
Yeah,
great.
it's
My
hot.
DMs were
It's
full.
damn hot, it's damn
My DMs were full of people
Yeah.
who
I
are your
think
friends. by
she's
the
just.
way.
What? My friends?
Yeah, yeah.
How do you know my friends?
I'm not gonna name them.
किसकी बात कर रहे हैं?
West-
Papa, look at my new boo boo.
Wow, Khushi, that's super cool. Look at mine.
You look like a very scary one, by the way.
They say Labubus are evil, no? I think
Yeah,
Ananya
you
said
look
that.
like
Now
a
I know why
very-
they say Labubus are haunted.
Haunted, yeah. You look very scary.
This day, it was Urvashi's birthday, and she's entered the club. And you know the spotlight that I had in the bathroom earlier?
You are a very bad
Shut
twerker,
up.
by
She
the
had
way.
a spotlight when she entered the club. Like, it wasn't a little light, it wasn't a portable, it was a light with wiring. And she had a whole team. Like, imagine entering a nightclub with a proper lighting.
Yeah, because she's the goddess,
She
right?
stole.
Urvashism.
Then this was us dancing at Diwali.
Okay.
Didn't we look like a period in the tampon? Partners in crime.
Are you
Tampon.
saying the goddess Urvashi looks like period?
Well, blood is thick and rich.
That's about it.
We've reached the end, guys. We've reached
Yeah.
the end.
Next time, I have this idea. We'll do a Nepo Kids tier list, and you
I will be the
have
first
to.
one.
Yeah, you will be the first one, and then we have to both decide
Because as
which
everyone
tier.
knows, I am a self-made Nepo kid.
How does that work?
What do you mean? Do you not know what self-made
What
means?
is a self-made Nepo?
It's like you're a Nepo kid, but you're
Yeah.
self-made.
So,
You did it yourself, made Nepo kid.
but then did the nepotism help you, or? I've successfully taught him how to be Adit Minocha, and I'm sure you're gonna still call me and ask me why is this not working.
I hope my head didn't dry while we were speaking and become like a bird's nest.
Oh.
I didn't become Sparrow's house.
Can you do the ouch, 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 ouch thing? He knows nothing. I don't know how he's chronically online. He literally knows nothing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and check out Ori's. Do you have a YouTube channel?
I do, yeah.
Check out Ori's YouTube channel. I will mention it in the.
That is so kind and generous.
Yeah, that's about it. Subscribe.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I gotta go.